Okay friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the FL17 Weapon Light by Feyachi. This is a 1200 lumens tactical flashlight here. It comes in a nice little box. It has a little card here. Okay, so it looks like in here we got the battery, or the flashlight there on top. Couple of batteries here. These are pretty heavy duty. These are the 18650 2200 mAh 3.7 volt batteries. You got a couple of them, pretty heavy duty. All right. Next we have the pressure sensitive trigger there, or for the light. It goes on the end cap if you want a different one. Okay, we have a single battery charger. Okay, looks like we're unboxing the box in the box. These are always so difficult for me to open. Good thing I have my thumbnails available. This is the M-LOK rail mount. So this is going to hold your flashlight, and it mounts onto an M-LOK ring rail. So if you have that on your weapon, that'll work. And here we have the flashlight itself. Okay, so let's check out the flashlight, shall we? Appears to be of good quality. It's got the little kind of tactical rim on the top there. You can use it as a weapon if you like. Has a nice little lanyard here. I'm going to go ahead and throw a battery in here and see how that works out. I'm thinking it holds just one of these batteries. They're pretty heavy duty. So let's see if I can't open them up. Hopefully they send them with a charge. If not, we'll have to save that for later. So are these going in plus or minus? I think I'm going to go plus down. Try it that way. This is rated for water resistance as well. Oh yeah, it does have a... Oh, it's kind of bright. It does have a nice little seal on there. So is this adjustable or no is the question. It doesn't appear to be adjustable. Just no, it doesn't adjust. I like a light that you can zoom in and change the change that. Okay, so that is just the light cover there. All right, no, it doesn't have to have a zoom, but it does put out pretty good light there, if you guys can tell there. Yeah. So I'll hit the light switch here, and it looks like it says it's 1300 or 1200 lumens. And it appears to be fairly bright, actually. So you guys can see it lights up the room pretty good. It's pretty much like a basic flashlight here. It's pretty small. I mean, probably about, I'd say 4 or 5 inches long there. Fairly lightweight, but it does put out a lot of light there. So like the little lanyard here it comes with, I'm going to go ahead and charge up these batteries to full. We'll be testing out the well, we'll test out that right now since we have it available, the different switch there. So some of these are zoomable, some aren't. This one isn't. It's all right. This particular flashlight runs about $40 on Amazon. And here's the oops, trying to get this thing here. So you can, it's got quiet, a silent kind of, you hold it down if you want to, and I believe on this end you can click it and it'll stay on, so you let go and click it off, or if you just want to flash it, and just hold it down, want it when you hold it down. That's what that thing is for. But you can put this over by your trigger, or over somewhere else where you can just operate it with one hand while you're holding your firearm or whatever. So pretty cool little one. I'll be doing like a little outside show too, and showing you how this works out in the backyard and stuff like that. So thanks for watching this unboxing my videos. Like I said before, I'll leave a link in the description below. I believe I said that. You guys can check this out on Amazon, and runs about $38, like I said. So pretty cool. I'll be doing a review. Also, when I do that review, I'll leave the link in the description below as well, and you guys can check that out. So thanks for watching this quick unboxing. Well, not so quick compared to some others, but yeah, anyways, we'll see you guys later. Everyone have a great day out there, and take care.